Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure personal finances with Mint, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by downloading the Mint app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and create an account by entering your email address and creating a password. Once your account is set up, follow the prompts to enter your personal information. Link your bank accounts by selecting your financial institutions from the list. Enter your online banking credentials for seamless integration. Mint will securely sync your financial information, pulling in transaction data. Set a budget by navigating to the budgeting section in the app. Choose categories for your spending, such as groceries, entertainment, and transportation. Assign a monthly budget for each category based on your spending habits. Monitor your spending by checking the app regularly for updates on your budget. Review the insights Mint provides for your spending patterns and financial health. Set financial goals, such as saving for a vacation or paying off debt, in the Goals section. Define the amount you want to save and the timeframe for achieving your goal. Track your progress towards these goals through the app's visual progress bars. Utilize the bill tracker feature to keep an eye on upcoming due dates. Add your bills to ensure you receive reminders for payments to avoid late fees. Review your credit score by navigating to the credit score section in the app. Mint provides personalized tips on how to improve your score based on your financial habits. Explore the Trends section to visualize your spending over time. Adjust your budgets or goals as your economic situation changes for continued relevance. For added security, enable two-factor authentication in your account settings. Regularly check for app updates to ensure you have the latest features and security enhancements. Practice good financial habits using Mint's features to build a stable financial future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.